is a very special girls video because my awesome daughter is doing my makeup and she has improved so much since the last time that she did it.
Yeah, it's been a while.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
And I'm really excited because this video is sponsored by Clinique. Thank you, Clinique.
Thank you. Oh, wait, you should do the commercial voice.
Yes.
What if your face forgot to age? New Clinique Smart Clinical MD is a targeted de-aging solution inspired by how dermatologists approach aging, based not only on your skin type and age, but also on the shape of your face. These two formulas resculpt, revolumize, and reshape your appearance, all while targeting wrinkles, dullness, and uneven tone. For visibly firmer, lifted, and contoured skin, apply Resculpt to the jowls, neck, and jawline. For visibly plumped and retexturized skin, apply Revolumize to the forehead, periorbital bone, cheeks, and nasolabial folds. Priced at $69, our Duo Jar includes both formulas in one jar.
So guys, visit your local Clinique counter and I'll also put some details down below. Okay, what's first?
First thing we're gonna do, put a little on the back of our hand.
Ah, just like the professionals.
Ah, yeah. Okay, so.
Very good. Well done, well done.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate the support.
What do you call this technique?
It's blending it out.
Did you see my pimple?
No. Oh, I didn't see it. You gotta really like look at it. You gotta really magnify.
That's okay. We're gonna get blemishes, it's part of life. We just deal with it and move on.
Wow, I'm like literally grabbing your head.
You can grab me wherever you want, mostly in my heart. What you got? What you got?
We got some concealer. Some concealer from my Latina queen.
Aww. So where did you learn to do makeup like this?
I don't know, man. I was just born with it.
Wow, look at that eyebrow. That is an eyebrow.
Yeah, it's an eyebrow and a half, bro. I've gotta get a wax, man.
What?
You're very gentle, thank you.
Yeah. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you like my technique.
Or if they have any other techniques.
Yeah, let me know what other things, like for example, if you see me maybe struggling or something, or if you see me using a certain technique and you know something easier, let me know. Also, Mama, how do you take care of your skin? Because I want to have skin like you when I'm a mom.
Aw, thank you, baby.
Yeah.
I drink a lot of water.
Aye.
I get as much sleep as I can.
Aye.
I try to eat healthy
You
food.
laugh like a princess.
Aww. And surround yourself with positive people.
And they will contribute to your energy.
Honestly.
Look up for me. The first time I did your makeup was that unicorn thing. Oh my gosh.
Oh, she just jabbed her finger right to the unicorn snot. How's that the final look? The unicorn snot is literally like hanging off her face. It's now time for the reveal.
That was a while back.
I know, that was when we were first starting out. Do you remember?
Yeah, and I was like, you have wrinkly eyelids.
Thanks. No, I know.
It's like your skin got better.
Thank you.
Next, we're gonna go with some bronzer.
Latina.
You're looking a little bit pale under the eyes, so sometimes it kind of looks a little bit too bright with the concealer under your eyes. Sometimes I just get a little bit of bronzer. You're not really supposed to do that, but why not? Break the rules a little. And I just put it under my eyes.
Interesting. I've never heard of that technique.
Look at these cheap, I literally put nothing on my brush.
I know, do you mean people have asked me if I've put stuff in my face?
No, like look at that, guys. Like right there, I'd pay for like cheeks like that, cheekbones.
Aw, thanks, baby.
And a little hack that I have, I think you might have heard this before, but sometimes what you can do is if you have like a bigger forehead, there's nothing wrong with that. Big foreheads are cute. You can even put some bronzer on the outliner, on the perimeter of your forehead.
Ah, I do have a big head actually.
No, you don't.
I have a gigantic head.
No, we actually don't, because some people have giant heads and then they go like at the back.
Can you do this every morning?
Yes, I will for you. I love makeup. I love just doing it. I have this big brush that's so handy. It's like literally so big and it covers my entire face. All right, next we're gonna go in with some eye looks. You know what, we're just gonna go with some smoky.
Sure that's not a permanent marker?
Close your eyes.
Is it because it's too thick?
No, well,
Because it kind of looks like cat eyes.
I just need to clean it up on the edge. I'm just gonna go in with some dark brown. Go in with that. that shimmer. So far we've done eyeliner, smudged it, and then some shimmery gold to kind of touch it up. And now I'm gonna move on to the other eye. Wow, that low-key looks good.
You are an artiste.
All right, gonna go in with that gold, and then we'll be done. We'll move on to the
Yay!
cheeks. This gold is gonna go perfectly with your blue/purple dress.
I think that this dress is purple.
This is actually highlighter.
Cheekbone highlighter? Awesome. So far, so good.
Close your eyes. Just gonna blend that little line so it doesn't look too messy.
Great. Thank you.
And now, to how's it look, Papa? Close your eyes.
What? Is that my wife?
Okay.
Can you give me smoky eyes after?
No.
Yeah. And then in the crease, I'm gonna highlight it.
Has she
Okay.
poked your eye yet?
No, she's fantastic.
I mean, I'm sure she hasn't. So while she's doing her eyelashes, you can actually use this beauty blender for hard-boiled eggs. Or like soft-boiled eggs.
No, get out.
Just so it doesn't look too clumpy.
We don't want clumpy lashes.
No,
we
man.
don't want clumpy lashes. We don't want clumpy lashes. Girl.
All right, so now for her cheeks. For the apples of my beautiful mama's model's cheeks, we're gonna grab the Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop. I love this little makeup brush.
Are you more excited for Halloween or Christmas?
Halloween,
Really?
all the way.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
I can't say. Gonna be a T-Rex. Oh, this looks so good on you.
You're so uplifting for me.
Look how good that looks, guys. Ah!
Ooh. What would you call that?
Highlighter.
Highlighter.
Super shimmery, so it shows up your nose.
And why do we shimmer the nose?
Oh no. Oh no, man. I don't even know why you do that. Guys, my mom is so pretty, you don't even need to contour her nose.
Aww.
Now we're gonna go under her nose with some blush.
Under the nose with blush.
That's what I do.
Ah, that's an interesting technique.
It's just like a softy girl look, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna go with my favorite setting spray because you are finished.
And then lips, right?
Oh yeah, but we're gonna do that after.
Okay, so this is setting spray.
Setting spray so that it can last all night long because we're going to a party. Forgot the forehead. Whew. It'll dry up and it'll like solidify.
Solidify. Now, do you like to do your lip liner on the line or over the line?
A little bit over, but actually I don't normally do it, but since I don't normally wear lipstick, I do clear lip gloss because I'm still like young. Like I wouldn't show up to school with like matte lips because then everybody would be like, oh, yay, okay. I don't normally do it underneath because then it looks fake. I just kind of do it on top so your lips look nice and luscious. Not that they're not, it's just it gets lost when I'm applying the foundation. And now, to complete it, we're gonna go on the Cupid's bow with some pigmented highlighter. Normally I like to use like my finger, sometimes people use a brush. You do you.
You do you, boo.
You do you, boo.
Is that it?
Yes. And this is the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, mama!
Thank you, Gabby. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, you need to do this every day.
Ooh, who that? Who that boy?
Wow, you look amazing.
I know, right? Do you know how much better she did it than I could ever do it?
That's
Professional.
amazing. So, yeah.
You're a dancer, musician, magician, singer, makeup artist, amazing daughter.
Wow, it actually looks so good.
It does.
Your teeth are so white. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for me because I got to use a model as my canvas.
Thank you, and
Yes.
thank you so much, Clinique. This was so much fun to do this with my daughter. What do you think? I think I look pretty good.
Yeah, we always look pretty good.
Aw.
Damn, girl, you glowing.
See you next time, everyone. Thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Thank you. Mwah.
Thanks again to Clinique for sponsoring this video.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the icon on the left and a little thingy will pop up and you get to subscribe. If you already have subscribed, please forget everything that I have just said.
That voice.
It's my radio voice. Bye.